Hello everyone, it is Vianney. Welcome to my channel. Today I have some quick and easy gift ideas for you and I'm really excited. So let's get started. Before we start the project, I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so I'm going to walk through step by step and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. Alright, first we're going to open Cricut Designer Space, and when we have that, we're going to click on Canvas. We have the canvas clean, and now we're just going to click on Images, and then on the Search tab, we're going to just click for Christmas images. Alright, Cricut Designer Space offers you tons of designs already made, so only you have to do is just click and search for the one you like it, and then adjust the size. So here, that's what I'm doing, just selecting the sign. So I did my 12 by 10 I mean 10 by 12, and then I just click make it and then make sure that I mirror the image and also select the material. So here we go into all materials, iron on, and then I type glitter, and there you have it. Click on that one and then done. Alright, so now on the pressure, I always click more. I think it's a habit now. I just like to do that. And then now we're going to prepare the materials, place it on the mat, and let the machine do the work. Alright, so once I had the material ready, I just went ahead and used the Maker 3 and load it. Press the play button and let that magic happen. Alright, so the design is cut and now it's time to remove the excess of the material using the weeding tool. Alright, we have our design. Now I'm just going to cut some of the excess of the clear part, so like that is easy for me to place it on the surface. Alright, so but before we place our design, I'm going to start the easy press. So I'm just adjusting the temperature in here. So I did 300 for 25 seconds. Alright, so when the little C shows green, that means it's ready. Alright, so for this one, I'm using a cozy blanket. So I just going to personalize that one right on the corner. So before I place the design, I like to iron it a little bit, as you can see, just to flat it out the surface. And now I'm just going to place the design right on the flat surface. Place the parchment paper just to protect the fabric and then use the press. And there you have it. Look how quick and easy, and oh my goodness, I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I also like to use the heat press again just a little bit after I remove the clear part, just to make sure that everything is in place. Alright, so to finish this gift idea, I'm just going to be adding a cute glitter ribbon, make a cute bow, and voila, there you have it. Alright, so if you are already excited with the first DIY, wait for this one. Oh my goodness, we're using the Cricut mug press. I just love, look at that cutie. Alright, so this one is going to be a little bit more steps, but just stay with me. I'm going to try to explain the most I can. Alright, when you open the designer space on home, you will see that you have so many options in here that are recommended for you, like card making, paper flowers, but also in here it shows this specific part where it says mugs, and then opens more options about mugs already made, and then there is another one line that says get started with your mug press. Alright, so we're going to click on that one where it says mug design setup. Alright, so when you open that, it will open more options. So here I'm just going to show you a few examples. When you click on the finished size, there is a small ribbed design. There is two sizes. There is 12 ounces and 15 ounces. The small is the 12 and the largest, what it shows in here, is the 15 ounces. So here I'm showing you the different designs that are already there, which is templates that we're going to use, and that made it easy to work with the design for the mug. And just stay with me, I think it's so easy and you don't have to be worried about the measuring because it's already here. Alright, so when I open one of the 12s and I went to the straight look, here appear the template. Alright, so here on the side I'm just showing that you can hide the templates as you need depending when you are creating your design. Alright, so here I'm going to images and just going to click on something for Christmas and just pick one. Alright, I have picked one of the designs that I like it. This one has a little ornaments in it, word Christmas. But I didn't really want the Christmas word, but I'm here and just put it on the template just to make sure that I have the right side. As you can see right on the top, you will see like three little cups that will help you to center your images or design. Alright, and right on the side, you can also hide parts of the template. Alright, so I have my design, so I decided to select it and then ungroup. And then I realized it didn't work, so I selected again and hit the option slice right on the bottom, and that works good. And so now I'm able to remove the Christmas word. Alright, so I hit the delete button on that one, and now we're just going to place just the ornaments right on the blue part of the template, adjust the size, and then select the both and hit that slice button again. Always remember that when you're going to slice, it needs to be only two pieces. They cannot be more than one. It won't work. Alright, so we have now the design sliced on the template. Now we're just going to select both pieces, attach them together, and then hit that make it. Now I'm just going to make sure that I have the right mat and also make sure that you mirror. So here I am on materials. I already have selected the Infusible and transfer sheet, but if you don't have it in there, you can also go on the all materials, type what you need, and will appear. See, select that, and then we're going to adjust the pressure. I always press more, and now you're ready to cut. So here I'm showing the materials that I will be using, which is the Infusible ink transfer sheets. So here I'm using this pattern, which is so beautiful, and I'm just going to place it on the mat, load it on the Cricut Maker, and let the magic happen. Alright, we had the design cut, as you can see, and now we're just going to remove it from the mat and get the mug press ready. Alright, so I'm just going to start it first, as you can see, and in the meantime, I'm just going to remove the design. So for this material, it's kind of thick, so what you have to do, I didn't show a specific that in here, but I did bend it a little bit first before I start peeling off the rest of the materials, and now it's ready to place it on the mug. Alright, so here I'm showing the mugs also from Cricut. They sent me a box from 6 cups, and now we're going to prepare that mug. Alright, so we're going to prepare the mug. So first it's important to clean it. You can use a specific fabric or just a little bit of alcohol, and then use the roller. Alright, so once you have that, we're going to place, just to make sure there's anything on the mug so they can interfere with the design. Alright, so now we're going to place the design as some heat tape. You don't necessarily need this with this transfer sheet because I already have some adhesive on it, but I like to use it just to make sure it stays in place. And then you just need to place it on the mug press, and then just press it down And when all the little button shows in white, that means it's ready. The mug press adjusts the temperature automatic, so you don't have to do anything. Just press that and let the magic happen again. Alright, the mug press already beep and show all the little white dots, and that means it's ready. I removed this, so the handle is cold but the rest of the mug is very hot, so I use a glove. And after 5 minutes I remove the design, and there you have it. Absolutely beautiful. I may feel and everyone will get mugs for this Christmas. I think they are absolutely beautiful. As you can see, some of the designs are the ones I already made, so I just click make it, and voila, there you have so many beautiful mugs with different designs. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, for the next DIY, I'm really excited about this one, honestly, because it's for some special person, and oh my goodness, I know that she will love it. Alright, once again, I went to images. I searched for some cute designs. I found this one and I just added to the canvas. Now I just going to adjust the size, and also I'm going to click the offset and then adjust the thickness and apply. So once I have them ready, I just separate and then change the color just to know exactly what I'm working with. Alright, so now I just place them back together, and then I just select them and group. Now I'm ready to make it. So as you can see, I have different maps, and now I just going to make sure that I mirror the images and then press that continue button. Right here are the materials. I'm using the iron glitter, and oh my goodness, I just love those vinyls. They are so thick and so beautiful. So here I'm just going to be preparing those on the mat and then cut it. Alright, so I skip that cutting part just to not make the video too long. So, and then I'm going to be just weighting them, and there you have it. So once again, I like to cut the extra a clear part, and now we're just going to place our beautiful design on a hoodie. So for this one, of course, we're using the heat press again. So here I'm just placing a parchment paper under the hoodie, just to make sure that I protect the bottom part. Iron it a little bit, use my measuring little thingy, and then place the design, use the heat press. And now the most exciting part, remove the clear part. So we have the black part. Now we're going to add on top the white part and repeat the step. Use the heat press and then remove the clear part, and look at that, absolutely beautiful. And then I use the press again after I remove the clear paper just to make sure everything is in place. And we're basically done with this one, and I think it came out so cute. Alright, so that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's projects, today's gift ideas, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also if you recreate some of these ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. So thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays everyone. See you guys next time. Ciao ciao.